I cannot believe you just said, this is what I'm most excited about. You ready? I have a big idea. There we go, Lana. You get a follow. Thank you so much. Wait till you see today's Cabernet offer. If you love Cabernet, if you're a Silver Oak, Camus, Cake Bread, today's Cabernet offer is out of control. Matt, what's good?
What's up, Gary? I've been taking your tips. I did a post the other day that I thought was horrible, and it actually did good. It was actually the best I ever did. So it was like.
So wait, one more time for everybody. Matt, one more time for everybody's listening.
So I'm a musician. I play guitar. I love songwriting. That's my favorite thing. And I did this bit on the guitar, and I screwed up a little bit. I'm like, I'm not going to post this. And then I was like, you know what? Start documenting. Stop. So I posted it. It's the best post. It's got the most likes I've ever had. So
makes me so fucking happy, Matt. This is happening 5,000 times a day to 5 million times a day, 50 billion times a day. People are overthinking this shit. Thank you so much for sharing that story. You just helped 54 people watching this.
Yeah, because you yourself can't judge what the market's going to think.
I have nothing but humility. I never think I'm right. I'm just curious what the market's going to say. And that's why I make. This isn't about being right or being a perfectionist or thinking I'm right. This is about me being curious what the market's going to say. I enjoy the feedback loop from the content more than the content. Yeah. Because it's for them. It's not for me. Everyone's selfish and insecure. I'm selfless and curious and confident as fuck.
That's why I was going to ask you. I started doing some posts on like I love writing songs. That's what I love to do. But I started doing some posts on some tutorials, the software I use. Those do good. Like as an original songwriter, it's hard. Like people don't, unless I have a hit song already, I don't know if people care, And then
Matt, something I've been thinking a lot about, something I've been thinking a ton about for songwriters. How much volume of songwriting can you do? Give me I can write 3 songs in a week or usually once a month. Like just your range, your general range. I'm sure it ebbs and flows.
I do like one piece a month, but this is the thing. I'm scared to release the shit. I mean, I have 2 albums.
I cannot believe you just said, this is what I'm most excited about. You ready? I have a big idea.
Yeah.
Ready? I've been wanting to share this. You're the man. You ready? I think many songwriters should literally write songs and literally post them for free on their Instagram account and call it a day and let people fucking take it and actually make the song.
How do you mean? Well, like TikTok.
Ready? No. I mean, I want you to write a song and literally post it on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, like the written fucking song. Maybe you read it and then you say, and now you all take it. I believe that if you did that, eventually some incredible artist comes along, makes the song, it explodes, you get nothing for it. You're not getting the residuals, the royalties, but it changes the course of your career. And that's better than this shit sitting in your head or sitting in your fucking closet. It's a different twist. It's a big idea. It's a big idea. I can see somebody stumbling on it and then then hiring you to write like Drake, like fucking the Dixie Chicks, like fucking Eminem. Like, I just think it's fucking real, bro. I think it's real. I think, what's it doing in your fucking head and on your pad? Nothing.
Yeah.
I think a lot more songwriters should put out their songs for free on the internet and not be sad when one of them hits and gets no royalty. And maybe the artist, by the way, you may get lucky, get a crazy up and coming talented artist to do the song. It crushes. And they also are a sweet soul and actually do pay you royalties or send you a check. Or if they didn't, it still would give you the exposure that leads to fucking, Carrie Underwood hitting you up the next week.
Yeah, exposure. Yeah. What,
dude, it's a lot better than it's sitting on your pad in your head. It's doing shit for you there. It's doing jack shit for you on your fucking pad and in your fucking head.
It's nothing.
Nothing. Garbage. Zero. Doesn't exist.
It's not. Yeah. Do you ever? Sometimes I feel my biggest ambition songwriting is my biggest fear. Do you have, I mean,
scared
it's
of your,
a challenge.
Scared of your own dream?
Yeah, but it's kind of enticing too, because it's so hard and it's so challenging that I want to do it. Is that like you with the Jets? Like, is it like?
To me, the Jets thing is kind of just like something that's been around since I was a kid. It's the process. Like, for me, if I was you, I'd be doing what I just told you to do, because I just love songwriting and I want my songs to be heard. And the idea of me putting out on Instagram the written lyrics, and fucking, whether it's, Russ, well, he does his own shit, but like Rihanna or fucking an up and comer, like, think about this. Billie Eilish could have saw it 3 years ago, sang it. Like, I don't think people get it. Like, creativity sitting in your own fucking head and in your fucking drawer ain't doing shit for you. Then people get into like, oh, but I don't want to be taken advantage of. I'm like, you can't be taken advantage of when nobody gives a fuck about you. So how do you become given a fuck about? You put it out for free. That's what I believe in.
Yeah.
Matt, do you know how many agencies, how many marketing agencies and independent solo marketing social media experts literally spend their life consuming all my content for free and then selling it to somebody else, and VaynerMedia doesn't get it, to the tune of hundreds of millions?
Yeah.
I eat my own dog food. Matt, do me a favor. Do this for me. Let this moment happen. Post for free on TikTok, and the way you do it on TikTok is maybe the video is just a fucking melody over the paper that you wrote it on. I don't know how you write, and then like in the copy, you literally write the song. On Instagram, maybe it's on, how do you write? Do you write on a computer? Do you write on pad?
I write with guitar, and then I record it. I usually record it.
And is this the music, not the lyrics?
Both music and lyrics.
I love it, bro. Put it out for free. Put it out for free. Maybe you end it with, hey, and now you go record, and feel like literally you play it, and every time you're like, this was Matt W, and now you, the more talented performer than me, go take this for free and make your own version. I'm telling you right now, it will change your life as a writer. I'm convinced.
That's a good.
I'm convinced.
Okay.
Good luck.
Thanks, Gary. Thanks, buddy.
We're innovating.